Okay, next item on the agenda is presentation, and it is a proclamation declaring the month of October 2013 as Domestic Violence Awareness Month. Okay, let me read this proclamation, and it says, whereas the Domestic Violence Awareness Month 2013 is Knowledge is Power, Awareness Saves Lives, and whereas public awareness and education about domestic violence are needed, as well as uniform efforts on the part of government, health professionals, law enforcement, religious organizations, educators, and community associations to address domestic violence through prevention, intervention, and treatment for victims. And whereas the crime of domestic violence violates an individual's privacy and dignity, security, and humanity due to systematic use of physical, emotional, sexual, psychological, and economic control and or abuse, including abuse to children and the elderly. And whereas domestic violence is a major public concern for our state and community and is not confined to any group or groups of people, but people of all ages, racial, socioeconomic, education, religious, and occupational segments of our society, especially children who are physically abused or seriously neglected at a rate significantly higher than the national average, supported by societal indifferences. And whereas the impact of domestic violence is wide-ranging, directly affecting individuals and society as a whole, here in this community, throughout the United States and the world, indicative of domestic violence not being a private family matter, but a crime, the consequences of which reach with devastating effect on the community, schools, and workplace of our nation, representing a pattern of assault and coercive behavior that will escalate in frequency and severity if intervention does not occur. And whereas the Board recognizes that Share House Incorporated has served the needs of battered women and children in this county for the past 23 years with a commitment to provide services to victims and educate the community in the complex of domestic violence. Now, therefore, I, Harvey Persons, Mayor of the City of Douglasville, do hereby commend Share House for its 23 years of service in providing for the needs of battered women and their families and advocating a domestic violence-free community. And do hereby declare October 2013 to be Domestic Violence Awareness Month in the City of Douglasville. So proclaimed this 7th day of October 2013.
And thank you, Mayor and Council, for recognizing October as Domestic Violence Awareness Month. This provides us an opportunity to increase information and education to the Douglas County community, which is so vital that they realize what the services are that's available to them within the community. During 2012, Share House actually provided more than 38,000 services to victims of domestic violence. We also provided services to over 3,000 victims, and we housed more than 450 women and children in our shelter.